Hey, this is Spencer with Skydrop. Today we're going over the installation of your Halo controller. There are 4 parts that should be present in the packaging: your Skydrop transformer, wall plate, a bag of screws, and the Halo faceplate. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver and wire strippers for installation. Your wire terminals will be marked with either a letter or a number. 1 through 8 are your zone terminals. C is the common wire terminal. H is your hot post terminal with a constant 24 volts used for testing individual zones. If you are replacing an existing sprinkler controller, congrats! You already have a great location to mount your new Halo controller. Skydrop provides 2 ways to install your controller. You can run the wires through the bottom entry, or if your wires are coming through the wall, you can have them run directly into the back of the panel. Make sure you have pulled enough wire through that they can reach an inch above the mounted wall plate. Once you have determined which method you're going to use, insert the wire bundle and the AC power supply through this channel. Straighten your wall plate with the level provided. Insert fastening screws with your Phillips screwdriver. Make sure not to tighten so hard as to strip the screws or damage the wall plate. If you are installing Halo in our outdoor enclosure, you will need to use the back entry. Now that your wall plate is firmly mounted to the wall, take your power supply and plug it into the wall plate directly below the level. Now, take your transformer and plug it into the nearest power supply. This will allow you to use your hot post terminal to determine which wire goes to which zone. Using your wire strippers, remove a ½ inch of the insulated plastic from the end of each wire. Push each wire firmly into the hot post to determine which zone it controls. To remove the wire from the terminal, press firmly on the corresponding button and gently pull the wire free. Once you have determined which wire controls each zone, plug them into the corresponding zone terminals. To mount the controller to the wall plate, align the 4 posts on the back side of the controller with the 4 mounting holes on the wall plate. Once aligned, press evenly on both sides of the Halo faceplate until all 4 posts snap into place. You'll know it worked as your Skydrop logo will light up. Your Skydrop controller is a computer and will require some time to boot up. You will know that it has fully booted and is ready to go when the ring illuminates green. If you have any questions, please comment or contact customer support. Thank you.